Katie Nola. I'm with the Iowa Egg Council, and this week is Fair Week, and traditionally on the first day of the fair, we are out at the fairgrounds in the Ag Building handing out our famous egg on a stick. And so today I just want to show you how you too can still have your egg on a stick at home. All you need is a pan, boil some water, just about an inch of water, bring it to a boil, and then very carefully add your eggs to the boiling water. Place a lid on top of the eggs and then let them boil for 12 minutes. Once they're done boiling after 12 minutes, go ahead and take them over to your sink, drain the water, and place ice on top of them and let them cool off for about 10 minutes. And then once they're all cool, you can go ahead and peel them, which we have here. And the method that I just recommended is the best way for the shell to come off very easily. So once the eggs are all peeled, you have several choices here. And I don't like to have a mess and I don't like to have waste. So you can have a completely edible egg by just taking a pretzel stick and placing it in the bottom of your egg. And there you have an egg on a pretzel stick. You can have celery, so you can do some veggie pops for kids so they're getting their veggies and they're fun. Just place those in the bottom, or you can do carrots. And then we also have some suggestions here for some fun seasonings. And of course, as you all know, cookie seasoning is a favorite at the fair. So you can put cookie seasoning on them, salt and pepper. Those of you that are watching your salt intake, you can use some Mrs. Dash seasoning. Or you can also dip your eggs in ranch dressing, honey mustard, anything like that. So go home and make your very own egg on a stick and make it like a fair in your home. Have a great day.
If you're anything like us, you're missing your favorite fair foods because the Iowa State Fair is postponed until next year. So we want to help you bring your favorite fair foods like the hot beef sundae to your home. The 4 ingredients that you will need is mashed potatoes, beef tips and gravy, finely shredded cheddar cheese, and a cherry tomato. To prepare this recipe, you will prepare some mashed potatoes and prepare some beef tips and gravy. Of course, you can use a slow cooker to prepare your roast ahead of time and then make your gravy from the drippings. And then you use your shredded cheese, so we're gonna assemble. 1 to 2 scoops of mashed potatoes. And of course, we're using a cute little hot beef sundae dish. Top your mashed potatoes with some beef tips and gravy. Sprinkle with shredded cheese. And top with the cherry tomato. And now you're ready for your family and you to enjoy. For this fair favorite and more beef recipes, visit iabeef.org.